Okay, so Shruti, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And tell me, how are you doing? I mean, it's a difficult time. I think it is the most difficult time compared to last year, because we thought that by this time everything would be on a much calmer place. So as an individual, as an actor, as a family person, how are you dealing with the situation?
So, to be honest with you, whenever anybody asks me a question that how are you doing, there is one patent line, which I think I was in college. Since then, I said, I'm very well.
Okay.
But that's because of the smile and because I have it in me. But there are too many things which are happening. And it's true what you said. Last year was still not as difficult as this year. Maybe because I think last year it was just like such a big dhakka, if I may say so, for everybody. That, everybody had to do it and had to, understand what is the new normal. Unfortunately, we got the normal with masks in between. So now again, taking a step back, again, going back to the supposedly new normal is not normal and it's not easy. So yeah, that's what I just told one of my friends, I think 2-3 days ago, that I feel this year is more difficult than the last one. Somehow.
True. And, a lot of, especially, of course, everyone is getting affected by this disease, unfortunately. But recently we see a lot of television people actually got, affected by, the COVID-19. Tell me, as an actor, how much are you comfortable or are you paranoid, working in this pandemic?
So, what happened is that from the time the whole lockdown started, and so because my husband he keeps juggling between Dubai and Mumbai,
right.
So I knew that it had hit earlier before it came to us in India, the whole news, so I was a little aware of it, so I knew it earlier anyways over there. And when it hit, I was like, okay, I still remember my passage outside my house used to be like a supermarket. Because I used to get, like my husband and I, we used to get like stuff for like 10-15 days, and everything used to be laid out in the passage because it had to be sanitized with, the edible spray and the non-edible spray and the non-alcoholic. You needed alcohol. So it was so much that I did. And then my husband and I used to be the only people who used to get out of the house and we used to come back because we used to buy essentials. We used to get all the groceries and stuff for home. In my mother's house, it was my brother who was doing that. My mother did not step out of the house, like not even into her corridor. She was in the house and she got COVID in June.
Oh, okay.
So that's when it just hit me that despite doing everything, a person who's sitting at home has got it. So I said, okay, I'm going to do my bit. I'm going to definitely sanitize everything. I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to take a proper shower when I come back. Okay, I'm going to keep my clothes soaked in Dettol and hot water and have my, kadhas and have my vitamin C's and have everything on planet Earth. But despite that, if it happens to me, then what am I going to do? So I remember the first day of shoot when I actually decided, because I think I was the last one to say that, okay, I don't mind going on shoot.
Yeah, so you were basically,
after doing all of that, I still remember things. I think I was the last person I think I was one of the last people on Kasauti who said like, okay, I don't mind coming. Because I had too many apprehensions because I have in-laws, I have a child at home. And there was too much happening in my mind. But then when, the whole, my mother thing happened, I said that I'm just going to pray to God. I'm going to do my bit. And then I'm going to go to work because my mother staying at home got it, despite doing everything. But yeah, that does not take away the fact that I am really, like to the T, I do things for and about COVID-19 too, for the precautions and everything. But yeah, that's what I did. When I went on shoot, I was like, just take care of me. That's all.
Right. Okay. Shubhavi, as we say, of course, the show must go on. It has to go on. I remember, hearing somewhere that now you're more, you want to do roles, which are related to your age. And also, you really want to explore as an actor, especially the web medium. So tell me something. Is there something, which is working on, or you're looking for anything, if anything you can say?
Touchwood, there have been a few which are working out, but it's like I honestly, I am a very honest person. So I don't want to say until I've done it, because in the past it's happened to me. When like eons ago, like when I was in college, I remember talking about an ad because I knew that I was confirmed for the ad. And then, it unfortunately didn't work out. So that was the last day I said, until I don't start shooting, until it's not come out, I don't speak about it. But yes, I think this realization has come quite recently, or maybe I think I am more ambitious after so many years, because I have always gone with the flow. Whatever has come to me, I have taken it, and I've been touched, very fortunate with the kind of shows that I have done, with the kind of roles and characters I have played in those shows. So it was damn good. But now I'm like, okay, I want to see, because my child has grown up, he's taken care of, he can take care of himself. And now I'm like, okay, now I want to pursue completely, what I do. Because initially, I think I was very happy in my own zone. I got married, I went to Dubai, I used to come to Mumbai, I used to keep juggling. Then I became a mother, so all that happened. Now I'm like, okay, I know the realization is late, but I think it's fine.
Right. So any character, now you're saying that now you're like more focused now. So is there any specific character or any type of work which you really, really want to do, sooner or later?
So there is one thing that I have been completely crazy about, like mad, I don't know, insane, I don't know, whatever the superlatives are of these words I am about, is about superhero films and about action films.
Okay.
And that's one thing. Like if you ask me what I want to watch today, I might see a rom-com, but the first thing I'm like, I want to see a superhero film, or I want to see some action flick, So I think that is one thing which I really want to do. I don't know how I'm going to be, but that is what I have never done, and I have always said that, wow, how difficult is this, and I want to do that. But again, having said that, I am extremely greedy a person. I want to do everything. So there are lots of things that I want to do.
Right. And I really do hope that, that whatever characters you really want to play, you do get a chance to play sooner or later. So, on this note, okay, thank you so much, first of all, for answering all the questions. I'm damn sure the fans of Kasauti are going to be super happy after seeing this interview of you. And Shubhavi, jate, you just said that there is something which is going in the web thing, but anything which you want to say to your fans and to the viewers of Glitz Vision USA, what would that be?
I would just like to say that I am not a person who's very active on social media. I really try, so apologies for that. Secondly, as far as my work goes, honestly, I really don't know. I am actually discovering a lot of things because there are so many mediums, so many platforms. I don't know when, I don't know what, but I just want you guys to wish me luck that whenever it is, whatever it is, I hope that how I convinced you guys as Mohini Basu, despite being like literally half the age or much lesser than what I was, I mean, playing on screen. I hope I can convince you even on my next project. And so whatever that is.
Yeah, and I'm sure you definitely will. And just jate, your friend Heena's music video has come out. Parth's web series Hero is coming out. So anything you want to say to these two people, what would that be?
All the very best. All the very best. I've been waiting for Hero. So we came to know about Hero like much, much earlier. So since then, I had stopped calling him Partho or Parth. I used to say Hero. So it's just funny. I don't know if the fans have noticed it or what. I just couldn't call him Parth, after a point, because I was like, this is such a fantastic character to play, And he's really worked very hard on it. He's really worked very hard on it. So I really, really hope that, you know, the dues are there by the audiences, by, you know, many, many people, even in the fraternity. So all the way best. So,
Okay. Thank you.
who's the other person you mentioned
Hina.
about the...
Hina's music video has also, came today.
Hina, though, I keep messaging her only. Even when she crossed 10 million, I think she must have heard me, you know, in my message. I was like, you've crossed 10 million! And I was like, hi, you know. So, yeah. So, yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much, Ray, first of all, for the lovely interview. And I do hope that we soon see you in any platform, but doing a kick-ass role. Thank you so much for the interview.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
Hi, this is Parth Santan and you're watching Glitz Vision, so please subscribe to Glitz Vision. Thank you.